Basic English words. Ball, ball. Balloon, balloon. Bug, bug. But, but. Pencil, pencil. Paper, paper. Eraser, eraser. Sharpener, sharpener. Crayon, crayon. Scissor, scissor. Notebook, notebook. Book, book. Blackboard, blackboard. Whiteboard, whiteboard. Chalk, chalk. Table, table. Chair, chair. School, school. School bus, school bus. House, house. Church, church. Police station, police station. Fire station, fire station. Farm, farm. Market, market. Street, street. Shopping mall, shopping mall. Ocean, ocean. River, river. Pond, pond. Classroom, classroom. Store, store. Library, library. Mountain, mountain. Hill, hill. Sea, sea. Restaurant, restaurant. Father, father. Mother, mother. Brother, brother. Sister, sister. Baby, baby. Grandmother, grandmother. Grandfather, grandfather. Grandparents, grandparents. Uncle, uncle. Aunt, aunt. Doctor, nurse. Patient, pilot. Teacher, student. Manager, secretary. Farmer, gardener. Fisherman, vendor. Boy, girl. Man, woman. Tree, plant. Flower, leaves. Milk, rice. Fruits, vegetables. Water, juice. Bread, butter. Apple, mango. Orange, banana. Strawberry, kiwi. Dog, cat. Horse, cow. Butterfly, bee. Fish, whale. Spoon, fork.
Thanks for watching.